guys.
Morning.
Okay, today's going to be an interesting morning following yesterday's very interesting close. Yesterday you saw the big sell-off in the market. That's when the bulls just couldn't hold it after the Fed. So today it's meant to be seen whether or not we're on a continued march towards 10,000 or whether the market has given up and the bulls have come into control. So it's starting off looking okay for the bulls this morning, whereby they got good employment data and they're trading the market up. Now, they're not really trading the market up that much considering that they beat these numbers, and they're going to have a continued struggle. So the question is going to be, well, what's going to happen? What are we really seeing? So, the way I'm looking at it is this. The market has a range where it can go to on the upside, most probably. It's going to, E's going to discuss the pivot, which is probably how high it can go up, which is, give or take 7 or 8 handles on the futures, maybe 60, 70 points, 50, 60, 70 points. The problem for the market is not going to be the upside, right? If it moves up over there, it's probably not going to do much more today, because I don't know if it's got that kind of juice. If it does and it breaks through, then it's going to continue a strong march. Then there's a lot of room going. The problem for the market is the downside. If the market can hold its lows of yesterday, which was 97.22, right, on the Dow, and I think 1060 on the futures, if the market can't hold that and starts breaking below, what we had yesterday, which we have not had, is selling pressure. When selling pressure comes in, we've been saying, if the selling pressure comes in, then look out, because there's really not much institutional money in the market right now. What you've got is a lot of individual money, through mutual funds and through individuals themselves. They're buying. There is some trader buying that's been going on, but there hasn't been big. The institutions are all in bonds, right? So people think they're sitting on the sidelines. They're sitting on the sidelines waiting for a big move because they missed the up move. So now what do you have? You've got all the guys who are individuals who've been buying the market, and they didn't start buying the market early. They bought the market late because they always buy the market late. So they're long in the market. The moment there's signs of downward momentum and some selling, they're calling their brokers and they're calling their mutual funds and they're getting out because they don't want to get stuck holding the bag. And that just creates more of a flow, because the hedge funds, which have been sitting on the sidelines, they're not net short. People think they are. They've been sitting on the sidelines. They're going to jump in and short the market. So when you've got the selling pressure from the individuals combined with the hedge fund market turning around and starting to sell this marketplace, then you don't know where the bottom is because there's no institutional support. So, once you start getting that big, selling moves, then the market can really fall. And, we saw the beginning of that yesterday, where there were no bottoms. Every time we thought that, something was hitting a level, it just took it. It took it. And like I said, even this morning, and I am unfortunately short right now, but even this morning, I would have expected on good, what we were seeing a week or two ago on any good economic, or last month on any good jobless data, we'd see a big spike in the futures. And here we saw maybe 2 handles, maybe. So, I'm kind of hesitant to do anything crazy. I'm waiting to see which way the market can go, but I'm definitely saying that if this market can't hold that, their numbers from yesterday, they can't hold that 97.22 level, jump on the bandwagon. Get short because I don't see anything going. And likewise, there is still a significant chance that all the market's going to do is going to sit range bound from flat to up 70. It might do that and push off till tomorrow making any major decisions, right? And in that case, just understand it's going to be a slow day with slight moves. But if the market starts to give you a direction either way, jump on it.
Da-da-da-da,